Scholars is a kindergarten through ninth grade private school. It's something that I've envisioned for a long time. I love teaching. I love my parents as well as my students, my faculty and staff. I don't know if I wasn't teaching. I don't know where I would be actually. Like I said, it's something that I've dreamed of doing, something that I've dreamed of having, and I know it's going to be number one. I know we'll be successful. If we can teach it, you can learn it, and I guarantee it. I just truly believe that. I've been in education since '97, and it's just something about the feeling that I get when I see kids saying, "Oh my goodness, Miss Howell, I did that." Yes, you did it. You know, it's just something about that, and I don't know. I just truly have a passion for it. One of the biggest challenges is having students that don't have what I had as a child. I always had parents that cared about education. Not only did I have a mom and dad that cared, I had an aunt that also cared. And the biggest challenge that I see these days is students that's coming from broken homes, students that don't have the privilege of having tutoring when they need tutoring. A challenge of seeing students that don't eat every day. You know, that's one thing about Academy of Scholars. When I say I'm teaching to the whole child, or we're teaching to the whole child, I mean that. I want to make sure the students have a home-cooked breakfast and a home-cooked lunch, and they have teachers and instructional volunteers that are here for them, the whole student. So one of the biggest challenges is seeing students these days not actually having the things that I had or what you may have had as a child coming up. As a matter of fact, I came up with a teaching tool called You Teach It. Being an educator, I didn't know how the game went as far as getting something trademarked. Initially, it was called You Teach It, and what it is, I teach the students the curriculum and the content, but by the end of the year, the student is teaching the curriculum and the content. I tried to get it trademarked. Someone else had Teach It, so even after spending the dollars, I was unable to get a trademark on it, but I'm now changing You Teach It to be called Motivation for Scholars. And I know it'll be awesome. That's too easy. I've always felt that motivation is a big thing when it comes to teaching. So I came up with a quote. Determined to be more than what they say I will be, motivated enough to push for what I want to be, and destined to be what I was born to be, a testimony. And that's what I want, all of my students to be a testimony. I'm talking to you, the parents, the students, the community. If you want to be taught by individuals that love what they do, Academy of Scholars, Inc. is the school for you. Thank you.